Hey guys, welcome to My Life YT. Today we're going to be working on my daughter's go-kart. It is an old Yerf dog. At one point it had a single A-arm front suspension, and then I had built a front end out of a tractor. It was goofy, it handled weird, and so now we are looking to build a double A-arm suspension. I have brackets off of two Yerf dogs. One is sitting on top of the other, it's bolted in. And we are going to work on getting that set up so that she can ride it again. So this is kind of our setup that we're looking at, and it's like this is fully, that's going to be full droop, and then obviously our bottom one, when it comes up, it's only going to be able to come to there. So couple inches of travel, and then we're only looking at using one of these little shocks. They're like a bicycle shock, and we're going to bring it up in here and put some brackets for it. So we're not looking at getting a lot of travel. We might end up with an inch or two. Just take the hurt off when we go in the trails. So then this is going to come up in here. This is actually the end of a lawn garden spindle. So I'm going to put this pivot on here, and then I'll cut it off so it's flush, and then put a flat, like a C around here, so it'll actually pivot on a bolt. So I'm going to have one of these on the end of each one of these, and then a C channel that goes around there, and then I'll finish cutting this off and refabricate this bracket. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to make up a makeshift little jig, just something so they're all sitting in the same position. Alright guys, so now we're going to throw the A-arms on here and see what they look like. So we're making some slight changes to our setup because I was able to get a piece of tube, and instead of doing the flat bars and making all that, this is a 2-inch piece of tube. I'm going to end up notching across here and down across here so that that arm can go inside here, and then I have to actually trim this down too to fit inside there. So then I'll have it notched here and then notched down here so that the two A-arms go inside of there, and then you'll slide a bolt through. But I was able to pick this up a lot easier, and I think a lot less work, and I think a lot sturdier, because I'll be able to leave a center section here to help hold the whole spindle together. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and we will be right back. Alright guys, so we're running out of time, but we got the A-arms on, we got the outer brackets on, and next time we'll get these spindles on, we'll work on getting the steering in, and we'll just do what we can do. Thanks for watching My Life YT, and we'll see you in the next one.